Hey, welcome back everybody. AJ here with Cocktail Cards, and today we're going to be showing you how to make an espresso martini. Now, this is one of the most popular drinks in Australia right now, so you might have heard about this drink, you might see different variations out there, but I'm going to show you a simple, easy, pretty universal way to make this drink delicious. So the ingredients you're going to need to make the espresso martini, it is a vodka-based drink, so you will need some vodka. I'm going to be using Tito's for this one. And next we need a coffee liqueur. Now, I'm gonna go with Kahlua for this one. Kahlua is gonna have some sweetness to it, so it's really gonna take away from the bitter flavors of the coffee in the espresso. If you are someone that really likes a bitter black coffee with no sugar, no cream, no sweet added to it, you could definitely substitute in a different coffee liqueur, maybe a Mr. Black or some cold pressed type of coffee liqueur. But I think for the most part, general population is probably gonna like this drink with Kahlua. It just adds a little bit of sweetness to the drink as you would normally drinking coffee. And next you'll need a shot of your espresso. Now make sure you let this kind of come down to room temperature. That way it doesn't melt all of your ice immediately and really dilute your cocktail. So just let it rest for a few minutes before throwing it into this drink. Lastly, we're gonna need a couple coffee beans for a garnish on top, which is pretty traditional for this drink. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you exactly how to make it. So we're just gonna build this drink out in either a pint glass or our shaker tin. So let's go ahead and start with adding 1 ounce of our vodka. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of our coffee liqueur. And next, just take your espresso shot. You can measure out 1 ounce of this. However, I want the whole effect of this drink, so I just like to take the entire espresso shot and pour it right into your glass. All right, go ahead and grab your ice, and we're gonna give this a pretty hefty shake here. We're probably gonna go about 18 to 20 seconds on our shake. All right, and one thing that's really nice about espresso is it actually has a really good property to allow it to kind of foam up, which gives this drink a really beautiful texture and kind of mouthfeel to it as well. So next, go ahead and grab a martini glass or a coupe glass, and we're gonna go ahead and just double strain our drink into the glass. All right, so you can see giving it that extra long shake with the espresso in there gives it this really beautiful frothy head on the drink. So what I like to do right here is just kind of let it rest for about 20 seconds or so that gets a nice consistency on top. And then once you're ready, we're gonna throw a couple coffee beans on top as a garnish. And there you have it, the espresso martini. So good. You get so much coffee flavor in that drink from the espresso, the Kahlua. And someone who likes their coffee black, I typically don't add sugar or cream to my coffee. I actually like how the Kahlua adds a little bit of a sweetness to this drink. It's a martini, I want it to be, you know, decadent. So I do like that little richness. It's perfectly balanced, not too sweet, not too bitter. And I just love that nice frothy top you get on this drink as well. Super delicious, totally understand why it's a huge hit in Australia. And yeah, I hope you guys get to enjoy this one, the espresso martini. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Check out the Espresso Martini. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give us a thumbs up And remember to subscribe down below as well. We're gonna be coming out with over 100 different recipes, so yeah, make sure you come back, check out some other videos. And until next time, I'm AJ with Cocktail Cards. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.